Hello again. It's me. Now approximately 600 of you have been saying to me every day that I'm not taking my drawings seriously enough and they're not very helpful to watch, and that you want me to be like really serious when I draw stuff, because otherwise you're not going to learn anything. And I think you make a really good point. All of you, all 600 of you every day, except that you're all completely wrong, and the only way you will learn something is by stopping assuming knowing how you're going to learn things, and actually just watch the things that I'm teaching you and like just learn things, because otherwise you're not going to learn anything. However, because I care a lot about stuff that you say, whoever you are, I'm gonna try to show you something more advanced. Now, I'm sure you've never drawn a house before, but we can give it a go. It's okay if you make a horrible mess. You can always just cry. Anyway, now all houses stereotypically are red, and there's a good reason for that. Now when you've got your layers in the right order, it's honestly not going to matter what colour your house is, but it still has to be red, otherwise you're just being disrespectful to like the history of houses. Now every house, what's that word? Architecture. Every house, architecturally speaking, has to have at least one window, because otherwise it's technically not a house. And if you have at least one window, that means you've got to have a door. And everybody knows how to draw a door, unless you've never drawn anything before. Then you need to draw something fast. Now, if windows are parallel to each other, that means the house was built by a good person. If there are ceilings with windows in them, then that means that it's going to rain tomorrow. That's actually not artist knowledge, that's architect knowledge. See, I'm also an architect. Only part-time though. I'm not like, a full-fledged, well I am, but anyway. So what you need to do next is remember that when you're drawing out a house, just imagine, like, if it was real, where would people walk? Like, they're gonna need to get to the places that you're drawing, because otherwise it's not realistic, and it's a stupid drawing and you should start again. And if you realize that you've actually drawn things on the wrong layer, then that's okay, because even the best artists make mistakes sometimes, and it's okay. Just carry on and hope no one notices. Moving on. A color that you should never use in houses is something that I want you to figure out for next time. Yeah. Now, I hope you appreciate this advanced tutorial, because normally I wouldn't teach this kind of thing to somebody unless they'd been drawn for like 60 years or something. So, I mean, you're probably not going to find it useful at all because it's too advanced. But hey, you're all insisting. You're like, hey, teach me how to draw better stuff. So there you go. It's a house. Lesson of the day. Don't count your chips before you have a nice soft pillow to sleep on. Okay, bye.